Scaling your AI agents isn't just about the technology, it's about people and culture. Success at this stage depends on commitment from both leadership and the team on the ground. Leaders provide the resources and backing to make AI-driven support a priority. To secure their commitment, they need to see clear, measurable results from your launch phase. Make sure that you communicate and celebrate early successes. Your support team, meanwhile, brings the trust and feedback that determine whether your AI agent will thrive. They need to understand the positive impact made by AI on their day-to-day, like efficiency and versatility, and on their career growth, like new skills, responsibilities, or roles. Sustaining their support requires active involvement. Encourage feedback, act on it, and show how their input drives real improvements, and recognize their contributions. When there's a shared sense of ownership, the AI agent becomes something you're all building together for mutual benefit, not a tool that's being imposed on the team. Alignment on your AI strategy is critical all the way up to executive level, because AI impacts everything: team structures, workflows, the KPIs you use, and how to allocate budget for support. Leaders provide the mandate and resources that make such large-scale changes possible, and their backing is what allows you to make positive changes fast. So, when it comes to making the case for scaled AI to executives, tailor your message to what matters most for each leader. The CFO wants proof that they can absorb growth without higher cost. Show how scaled AI breaks the old link between growth and support costs, and they can handle more and more volume without increasing spend. Use your early successes and the goals you've set to demonstrate its potential. Your CCO cares most about meeting customer needs. Focus on how scaled AI will transform the customer journey, delivering faster, more consistent, and effective support. Stress that it's not just about improving efficiency, but about building trust and loyalty by delivering the kind of support that keeps customers coming back. The CEO's priority is long-term growth and competitive advantage. Explain that AI at scale transforms support from a cost center into a lever for retention, activation, and customer lifetime value. With AI at the heart of your support function, they can adapt quickly to changing demands and set a new standard for operational excellence. Also express that return on investment is realized when you change your approach to budgeting your support function. In the old way, support budgets were siloed. You fund staff, tools, and services, and do your best to scale those costs linearly as support volume increases. But a scaled AI agent changes all that. Higher volume no longer means higher headcount, more seats, or more contracts. So you need to model costs differently, taking into account the flexibility you now have. That doesn't mean just counting the savings, but strategic reallocation of your support budget. Every hour saved, every role you don't need to backfill, and every outsourcing contract that you can scale back becomes capacity that you can reinvest. This could mean improving your customer experience, strengthening your knowledge management, creating new AI-focused roles, or even supporting customers proactively in retention or onboarding programs. It's not just about cutting costs, but creating new opportunities for growth. So making the business case for AI is about more than proving return on investment. It's about reframing AI as a foundational part of your business and showing leaders what's possible when it's fully embedded. With their support, you open the door to scaling AI with confidence and building a support function that drives real value.